Good morning, children. In today's class, we will be doing question number 3 because we have already done question number 1 and 2 in our previous class. We all have understood about dependent and independent clauses. Yes, so what we are going to do in this question number 3, first we have to read all the sentences and then we have to, in each sentence, we have to identify the dependent and independent clauses. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that in each sentence there are two clauses given. One is independent and one is dependent clause. Yes, and you all know that dependent clause always starts with a conjunction. Yes, that shows the relationship between an independent clause and a dependent clause. ठीक है, जो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज होते हैं वो हमेशा किससे स्टार्ट होते हैं? एक कंजंक्शन से स्टार्ट होते हैं. कंजंक्शन लाइक सिंस, व्हाइल, अंटिल, ओके, इफ, आफ्टर, दो. लेकिन अगर बीच में क्या लगा है? एंड, देन what we understand then that these two clauses जिनको conjunction and से जोड़ा गया है वहां पर दोनों clauses कैसे होते हैं? वो independent clause होते हैं. लेकिन जो clauses conjunctions like since, that, for, while, until, though उनसे शुरू होते हैं वो कौन से clauses होते हैं? वो dependent clauses होते हैं. So let us find out which are dependent clauses and which are independent clause. What one is already done for you. ठीक है, तो हम नेक्स्ट वाला बी वाला पार्ट करते हैं. वी स्टेड होम अंटिल इट स्टॉप्ड रेनिंग. वी स्टे होम until it stopped. So it is very easy to identify here which is a dependent clause and which is an independent clause. Here the independent clause is we stayed home. Okay, we stayed home because here this sentence, this clause, it stopped raining is beginning with the conjunction. So we can easily find out that until is the conjunction. Okay, and which is the dependent clause? It stopped raining. Okay, so how we are going to do this? We are going to do this question in the notebook because we do not have enough space to write the answers of this question in the book. Okay, so for second is also done now. Look, part C. Unless we have 5 players, we will not be able to play this game. Okay, so here which is an independent clause? We will not be able to play this game. Yes, and which is beginning with the conjunction? This part. Unless we have 5 players. So this part is a dependent clause जो कि इसका क्या बता रहा है? रीजन बता रहा है या ये बता रहा है दैट जब तक हमारे पास 5 प्लेयर्स नहीं होंगे वी विल नॉट बी टिल दैट टाइम और अनलेस वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू प्ले द गेम. Okay, unless we have 5 players. So this clause is completely dependent on this clause, on this independent clause to complete its meaning. Okay, this is establishing a relationship between these two clauses. Okay, so part D, E, F and G you will do yourself. You will try to do yourself. Okay, now come to the next question number 4. Match the independent clauses to their respective dependent clauses to make complete sentences. In this column independent clauses are given and in this column dependent clauses are given. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to match the independent clauses with their dependent clauses. Okay, meanings you have to match these dependent clauses according to the meaning of which is given here in the independent clause. Like Nina could not see properly. Nina could not see properly. Why Nina could not see properly? Because as the lights were very dim. So here dependent clause as the lights were very dim is telling us the reason. Okay, is telling us the reason why Nina could not see properly. Yes, so this is the dependent clause which is dependent on this main clause. This is the main clause. Okay, and these are the dependent clauses. Now next is my workshop was cancelled. My workshop was cancelled. Yes, so why my workshop was cancelled? As it started raining heavily. Yes, so this dependent clause is dependent on this. The subordinate clause is dependent on this main clause to complete its meaning. So Is it making a complete sense now? Are these two independent dependent clauses going together? Yes. Okay. So this is how you have to find out the meaning or the dependent clauses for these main clause or independent clauses. Okay. Now what you have to. Okay, so now how we will be doing this question number 5. We have to add suitable independent or dependent clauses to the clauses given below to make these sentences. Here some of the clauses are given, some of them are some of these are independent and some of these are dependent clauses. Okay, so we have to complete these sentences by adding suitable clauses. और जो हम add करेंगे वो dependent clause भी हो सकते हैं और independent clause भी हो सकते हैं. So like first sentence, dash when we move to the city. Okay, when we move to the city, so what we can add here, so which, first of all, just I want to tell you that which clause is this, whether it is a dependent or independent clause. This is a dependent clause. So what we have to add here, we have to add an independent clause here. So like I was admitted in an English medium school when we move to the city. So likewise you can add the clauses in these sentences. Second part देखिए, I will not attend your birthday party. I will not attend your birthday party. So what we can add, which clause is this, independent or dependent? This is an independent clause. तो हमें एक dependent clause along with the conjunction add करना है. So what will be the conjunction here? Why I will not attend your birthday party? Because I am not well. So likewise you can try to add the clauses in these sentences also. So I hope this is clear to you. And in sixth question also, this is also very easy. और आपको क्या करना है, you have to just look at the pictures and you have to write the instructions. Okay, using one dependent and one independent clause. आपको एक dependent और एक independent clause लिखना है. ठीक है, जैसे कि इसमें ए पार्ट में दिया हुआ है, डू नॉट थ्रो गार्बेज इन द रिवर as it leads to water pollution. Okay, do not throw garbage in the river is the independent clause, and as it leads to water pollution is the dependent clause. Okay, like second statement में आप देखिए, second part में देखिए यहाँ पर क्या, what is the instruction here, turn off when not in use. Okay, so what we can write, we should always turn off the lights. Yes, so how you can make this sentence, we should always turn off the lights while not in use. Okay, while not in use. So what conjunction you have added here, while. Okay, so likewise you can try to do all these parts. Okay, so आप अपने आप try करना इनको करने के लिए, because these are very easy. If you do not understand anything, you can ask me, I'll tell you. Okay.